Morning. This is the chain off my Lectric XP Lite, and I realize this is not going to be for many people out there, but I just thought I'd pass it along. The first thing I did was I took the chain off the bike, took it to a bike shop, and had them split it, and so I could install a master link. Because removing the chain from the bike is a real pain in the butt. There's no other way to put it. And I try to keep the chain clean and lubricated. I happened across a video where they don't use regular lubricants on the chain, but rather they use a wax or paraffin-based lubricant. And I was really intrigued by that, so I decided to pursue it and try it. The prep for the paraffin wax procedure is quite long, and it took me about 2 days to get the chain clean enough where I could use the paraffin wax. But once it's done for the first time, subsequent cleaning and re-waxing of the chain is a breeze. So this has been thoroughly cleaned, and I'm just about ready to re-wax it. But you do not get dirty. There is no oily residue on it. You don't get it all over your hands or your clothes or your car as you're getting this thing in and out. I mean, this is just wonderful. And the chain is nice and quiet. Supposedly you get extra power out of the chain. I can't verify that, but it sure does seem to run quiet. Now, I have almost 100 miles on this chain since it was waxed, and I'm just about ready to re-wax it. In any case, I just thought I'd pass it along. There are many videos out there showing you how to wax a bicycle chain, so I won't even try to go into that. I will include a link to the product I'm using to wax the chain. So far, I really like it. So that's it. Have a nice day and enjoy your XP Lites.